What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. Today I will be walking through level 23 on Fabric Box. Now if you did need help on any other levels though, check the playlist that I'm going to be linking at the top of the description on this video, and it's going to have every single level and what you need to do to get a 3-star inside of it. Super quick, they're all going to be less than 2 minutes. You can just watch through them, get your 3-star, and move on to the next one, so you have a 3-star on every single level. But as for today though, we are doing level 23, so let me hop in there and show you exactly what you need to do. So there's lots of balloons here. You're going to press the middle one to get up, and you kind of have to cut the ropes extremely quickly, but as you do at the bottom there, this is an often missed step as the candy is going to fall and it's kind of confusing, but you do need to hit that bottom balloon at the exact right time, and then the candy is going to propel into Omnum's mouth, giving it the momentum to hit his mouth and complete the level, giving you the 3-star rating and completing the level. That's all there is to it though, pretty much. If you did need help on any other levels though, that playlist will be linked at the top of the description for easy use. Other than that though, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.